member has been using this recipe for chicken marsala for about 5 years now and says, "From the first time I made this, it's been nothing short of excellent." Take 4 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves and wrap them in plastic wrap before using a meat mallet to pound them about 1/4 inch thick. You can skip this step by buying thinly sliced chicken breasts in the grocery store, but they cost a little more. We're going to coat the chicken in a flour mixture before sautéing it to make a flavor crust. Take a dish that's shallow enough to dip the chicken breast in and combine 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix this together. Dredge each piece of chicken in the flour mixture. Put a large skillet over medium heat. Add 4 tablespoons of butter with 4 tablespoons of olive oil and heat until it's melted. Or if you prefer, you can skip the butter and add a little more olive oil. Once the pan is hot, lightly brown the chicken. Turning each piece so both sides get evenly browned. Then remove the chicken from the pan. Slice 1 cup of mushrooms, and give them a quick sauté. Pour in a 1/2 cup of marsala wine and 1/4 cup of cooking sherry. Then return the chicken to the pan and cover the skillet. Simmer everything for about 10 minutes, turning the chicken over once, and cook the chicken through until it's no longer pink and the juices run clear. Chicken marsala is a classic that's sure to impress your family and your guests.